Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the first video that I've done in a few weeks, having been busy with other things. And so for a quick easy project, two projects actually, I have some pen blanks here and two new pen kits that I haven't turned before. I have this Patrizio pen kit and also a Gatsby pen kit. And I have two blue acrylic blanks here as well. And so one of these pens, the Patrizio one, I am going to turn for my wife using this Sapphire Crush. And then after that, in the next video that I do, my wife is going to turn the Gatsby pen for me using this pearlescent blue blank as well. So my wife fancies having a try at making a pen, so that will be in the next video. So for this one, I'll prepare this blank, get it cut in half, the hole bored through the middle and the blank glued in with the tubes ready for turning. Okay, as I said, this is a Patrizio Twist pen blank in gunmetal and black that I purchased from Pen Kits Direct. I also purchased the Sapphire Crush blank from Pen Kits Direct as well. So if you're interested in a blank like this or a pen mechanism like this, then you can check out penkitsdirect.com. So I'll mark for the cuts for the tubes and then make those cuts ready to bore the holes. We're ready now to turn these blanks, and as usual I'll do the roughing with my roughing gouge to make the blank round, and then I will pare it down to the bushings using my oval skew. Turned down to the bushings now. This particular blank turned really well. I got really good clean shavings coming off with the skew, as opposed to other acrylics that I've turned in the past that I've chipped quite a lot when I've tried to turn them. So I'll definitely use more of this kind of acrylic in the future, up until I'm able to cast my own blanks. So what I'll do now is polish the piece up, and I'll use micro mesh pads to do that. The first pad starts at 1500 grit. I'm going to start with a bit of wet and dry paper at 1200 grit first, just to have a bit higher abrasive to take out any rough spots that are in the blank before polishing them up. And here's the blank fully polished up to 12,000 grit with the micromesh pads, and I don't think the camera is really able to do justice to this blank. It's a gorgeous acrylic blank, this. The crush is a really nice effect that I've not used before. It's usually just a pearlescent or a swirl blank that I've used in the past, but the crush is a really nice effect, especially with this sapphire colour, and I'm sure my wife is really going to like this pen. So let's take it over to the press and get it assembled. Okay, I have my parts laid out now for assembly, and the first step is to insert the nib into the smaller diameter of the bottom barrel. That's just to give it a little start. We can screw it up now. Push it home. There we go. Next we take the transmission and we'll insert it into the depth line just there. Okay, I'll try the insert now for depth through the pen. And it fully retracts and fully extends, so we won't need to push that any further. Next, the center band pushes over the transmission. Then we take the clip, put it over the end cap, and position that, and we'll press it on. Side where we want it. I'll put it at that part there. That is the end cap done. Then the two parts slot together. There you have a finished Patrizio pen in gunmetal and black with a sapphire crystal acrylic. It's a really nice pen. I think my wife is really going to like this. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and seeing how this lovely little pen was made. Thank you to all of my subscribers, old and new, for supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take the time to visit my channel and have a look through the other videos that I've posted so that you can see the things that I do. I'm sure you'll see something there that will be of interest to you, and I'll continue to upload regularly new projects of pen turning and also of wood turning in general. My next video will be my wife making a pen for me out of this acrylic black. But after that I'm planning a large project that will probably consist of a few different videos, as I aim to make a large segmented vase. I have some pieces of American black walnut, some cherry, some sapele and some edigbo, and I'm going to make a plan for a segmented vase and use those pieces of wood to make that. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching.